Good morning, children. Sairam, I hope you all are watching regular videos. So, can you tell me what we have discussed in the previous class? Yes? Very good. Our community life is interdependent. That means people are dependent on each other. So, yesterday we have discussed one example of manufacturing of sugar. And in that, we have seen how many people are involved in the production of sugar. The process of reaching goods to people is called service. Okay, so all these things we have already discussed in the previous class. So now I will continue with part 3 of the same lesson, that is our community life. And now I'll begin with new words. Restriction. Restriction means a law or rule that limits or controls something. Restriction means a law or rule that limits or controls something. For example, children, you need to follow certain restrictions in the school. For example, you need to be regular to the school, you need to be punctual to the school, and if you remain absent, you need to enter or write the reason in the calendar, right? So these are certain restrictions you need to follow at this age. I hope this is clear. Now repeat after me. Restriction. 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 Discipline. Discipline means the practice of training people to obey rules. Discipline means the practice of training people to obey rules. Children, your teacher teaches you discipline. Always, no? So, whenever you go out of the class for PT period or for computer, for library, you need to form a straight line. Okay, you need to form a queue. Then whenever you want to go out of the class or enter inside the class, you need to take teacher's permission. Okay, you need to talk politely with others. Okay, so that means you need to be disciplined always. Fine. So now repeat after me. DISCIPLINE. 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 Certain. Certain means specific or sure about something. Certain means specific or sure about something. For example, you need to follow certain restrictions in the school. Okay? You need to follow specific restrictions or rules in the school. Now repeat after me. CERTAIN. 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 Imbibe means to receive and absorb into the mind. Imbibe means to receive and absorb into the mind. For example, we imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. I repeat, we imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. Repeat after me. IMBIBE. 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 Unity. Unity means the quality of being united or togetherness. Unity means the quality of being united or togetherness. That means, children, you need to try to be united with your friends always. Okay, this is unity. Fine. Now repeat, UNITY, unity. UNITY, unity. UNITY, unity. Next word is participation. Participation means the action of taking part in something. Participation means the action of taking part in something. That means you need to take part in any of the competitions or activities or games. Okay? Keep on participating, children. You get to learn many more things through participation. Okay? So now repeat after me. PARTICIPATION. 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 Determination means the ability to continue trying to do something although it is very difficult. Determination means the ability to continue trying to do something although it is very difficult. That means if any task is difficult, okay, if the task is difficult, you need to put more efforts to achieve it. For example, if you want to learn some answers and the answers are difficult, so what do? You don't have to give up. You need to put more efforts so that you can learn those answers properly. Okay, this is determination. Clear? Now repeat after me. DETERMINATION. 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 Passion means any powerful emotion or feeling, any strong feeling. Okay, passion means any strong feeling or emotion. Now for example, I love singing. I have a strong feeling about singing. So I can say singing is my passion. Okay, now repeat, PASSION. 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 Now we'll discuss rules for living in a community. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. I repeat, rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. That means everybody has to follow certain rules to lead a peaceful life, we can say. Okay, we have to deal with other people in our community all the time. That means children, we come across or we meet many people throughout a day for some or the other reason. So in that case we need to behave properly. We need to talk politely with others to lead a peaceful life. What is this, children? This is a library, and see how children are standing there in a queue. No? Are they standing in a queue? So like this, do you all form a queue whenever you go to the library, children? You also have to stand in a queue when you go to the library and maintain silence there. Okay? Maintain silence in the library always to avoid any confusion. Is that clear, children? See, this is a bank. See how people are standing in a queue, no, to get the work done properly. Fine. See, these children are standing on the footpath. They want to cross the road. But can you cross the road anytime? No, because when vehicles are moving, you can't cross the road because it can lead to an accident. No? So first you need to see to your left and right. Make sure that vehicles are stopped and then you can cross the road. And children, always remember, you need to cross the road through zebra crossing. I repeat, always remember that you need to cross the road through zebra crossing. Okay, these are certain traffic rules which we need to follow. Okay, see now, here these children are playing on the railway track. Now just tell me, is it a safe place to play over here? No, this is not the safe place to play, right? So this is very risky. Anything can happen. It may lead to an accident also. Okay, so this is very, very wrong, very bad. Okay, you should not behave like this. See your children, these people are trying to cross the railway track. It may lead to a major accident and they may lose their life. Our life is very precious. So if you want to change a platform, you can make use of a bridge. Okay, don't cross the railway track like this. Okay, children, see here, these children are taking selfie. This is not the selfie point and they don't even know that train is coming behind. So here also they can lose their life. Okay, so think before you act. For smooth running of our day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are known as rules. So everybody has to follow certain restrictions for smooth running of our community life. Rules bring discipline to community life. Rules bring discipline to community life. Now we'll discuss about importance of games. Games have an important place in our lives. Children, do you play outdoor and indoor games? Very good. You need to play games. If you play every day, you get good body exercise. Yes? We imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. See, if you play team sports or team games, you learn many things. You learn to take care of your friends. Yes, if somebody falls while playing, you try to help him. Yes, at once you run to pick him up. That means what? You are helping each other, and this is nothing but cooperation. Okay, you play together. That means you can share your tiffin. Okay, so that gives the feeling of togetherness. Okay, so you get to learn more things. So precious qualities you learn through games. So that is why games have an important place in our lives. We imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. See, this is Kho-Kho. Yes, and this is Kabaddi. These games are Indian games. Children, before playing games, we need to understand its rules. Before playing games, we need to understand its rules. And rules are same for everybody. Everybody has to follow the rules while playing the games. See, before playing the game, we must first understand its rules. The rules of game are the same for everybody. Every player has to follow the rules. Only then does the game go on smoothly. Similarly, in order to make sure that community life also goes on smoothly, we must follow the rules. And if we follow rules, then we can lead a good, peaceful life. Participation, determination and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Children, participation is more important because when you take part in some of the activities or games or any competition, you get to learn many more things. Determination is also important. Now, what is determination? Determination means continue trying to do something to achieve it. That means you need to work hard to achieve success. Passion. You need to be passionate. If you like any game, you need to be passionate. That means you need to work hard, put more efforts to attain success or to achieve success. Okay, so winning and losing is not important. Even if you win or lose a game, that doesn't matter. But participation, determination, and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Sports help us to stay healthy. That means, see, whenever we play, our body get enough exercise, making our bones and muscles strong. Okay, so sports help us to stay healthy. Okay, children. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Here we have completed part 3 of the same lesson, that is lesson number 20. And we are going to continue the remaining part in the next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, keep practicing, keep watching videos. Okay, bye. Sai Ram.